Bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs. This cart is also lighter than the one I'm used to driving. The shafts are not as heavy. Interesting differences. And our horseshoer is due this morning. Walk on. Walk on, good boy. Walk on. I was going to say his vehicle is dark blue and I can't see if it's parked at the barn, but then Dave drove past the barn with the truck and trailer and I could see it the whole time, so I'm pretty sure he's not there. You want to trot? That's a boy. Amy, look out. Like he wants to zip right along, and I don't want him to, and rather than just a hard pull, I'm doing a little bit of left, right, reminding him I'm back here. I would rather do that than a straight pull. It was a big bush under your belly, wasn't it? It's an interesting question whether or not the road is going to be harder on his leg that's healing, or the pasture is going to be harder on his leg that's healing, the field. He's going to have to dig in more on the field. So it's softer ground. But then the road is hard, so is that hard? Too hard on him? Interesting question. So we're doing a combination. stridey walk. Let's use that. There are goat heads everywhere, and the dogs find them at their paws. Walk on. Even in his lazy walk, he's got a 4-inch overstride. Why did I just twitch my reins? I twitched my reins to chase bugs. And I get my horses used to the whip being used for many different things, including chasing bugs. And I take the time to teach them that the whip can run the bugs off their bellies when I put it between their hind legs. Farmers do check their wells on Sunday mornings too, so what a good boy. Oh, there comes the farrier. Hello. May I have a right-hand bend? That's a good boy. Hello, Tippy. About him. You walk. No, you get to do that again. I didn't like the way you did that. Therefore, we will do it again. Till you do that quietly. Walk on. Doodlebug! Doodlebug! Well, I guess we won't be going that way. We're going to go over here and get Doodlebug. Walk on. Good morning. Would you be willing to hand me Doodlebug, please? Yeah, there's no way for you to jump in here, dog. Yeah. Nicky, get down! Come here, dudes. Whoa. Come here, Doodles. Come here, Doodles. You can't jump in this one. Come on. It's okay, dude. Yeah. Doodlebug. Come here.